All right, this video is to show you how to practice for your semester final in band. And you'll have to do two recordings. One assignment will be a level 2 in 6/8 and one will be a level 2 in 4/4. Okay? And the reason I chose these is because it encompasses the majority of the rhythms that we have in Invincible Eagle and in a lot of other songs. So, to do that, you're just going to go to sightreadingfactory.com. Okay? You can find a link to that in Schoology if you don't want to spell it out. So again, sightreadingfactory.com, and then on the right side it'll say Start Sight Reading. Okay, so you click on that. Then from here, you can pick your instrument. So I'm going to pick, I'll go to Brass Family, and I'm going to pick, I'll pick Trombone. Then for here, for your level, you're going to click on Level 2, and then for Time Signature, you're going to click on 4/4. And then for key signature, it'll be a random one of these three. So I'll click on random, and then you're going to click on free play. Okay, so it'll bring you an example like this. Okay, now for the semester final, the tempo, which is here in the upper right hand corner, is going to be at 100. Okay, so you can raise and lower that to practice at a slower tempo, but for the actual test, it'll be at 100. Okay, remember that right here, this button here is a metronome, so you can click on that. And I don't know if that'll pick up in this recording or not, but it is in my headphones right now. Okay. And then you can play through it. Always check the key signature. A lot of us in our assignments, we don't check the key signature, or we don't play accurately to the key signature. Okay, so check that. Now, my suggestion to practice is that you would play through an example, maybe once or twice, and then you're going to hit this play button, and then the computer will play along with you. That way you can play along with the computer, and you can check and see how well you did. It'll give you 4 clicks, and then you start just like normal. Okay, then when you're done with that example, just click next. It'll generate a new one. Do the same thing. You can turn that metronome on if you want to. Now if you want to hear what a note sounds like maybe you want to hear your first note, just click on the note. And it'll play that first note for you. Okay, so this is how to do 4/4. So now to get back to that menu, I'm going to go up here and click on my instrument, trombone. And then I'm going to keep it as trombone. I'm going to keep it at level 2. I'm going to click on time signature now. And I'm going to go down here to 6/8. And now I'm going to go to free play. Now for 6/8, the tempo is going to be 65. And it's important to understand that that is the dotted quarter note tempo. Okay, so again, you can click the metronome, and that gives you the dotted quarter note. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so that would be the speed for this one. Same idea though, play through it. You can press the play button. It'll give you 4 clicks in that 65 tempo. Ready, go, bum. And it'll play the example along with you. Okay, again, hit next, get a new one. So my suggestion to you is to play as many of these examples as you can between now and Friday so that you're used to how the program works, what it looks like, so that on Friday it's real simple for you and you're really well prepared. Again, I would do some every day this week. Even if you feel really confident, do some just so that you know exactly what to expect for your test. All right. And as always, if you have any questions, please email me, talk to me, let me know if you want to come in and play a couple examples for me just to make sure you're doing okay. I'm happy to do that too. All right. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.